Hi, I'm Michael Clay, a technical sales representative with Lincoln Electric. Today we're going to be programming a circular weld using the Cooper app. So similar to programming a linear weld, we're going to follow the instructions on the screen, send the robot to a home point, and then start our program from here. We'll push our blue button to unlock the cobot, and when we start moving it, the button for more choices is on the screen. We can push that. And this allows us to change from a linear to a circular weld. So we'll select a circular weld and then just continue to follow the instructions and move the cobot to a welding start point. So once the cobot is in a good welding start point, we can push the green button to signify the start, and then go around the circle to program your points. And each welding point, you'll push the green button. And to program a full circle, you need to program 5 points. And each one of the points will be a button push. When you get to the end, push and hold the green button to tell it that it's the end of the program, and then move the cobot safely out of the way of the part. When you're completed, push the done button. So when your program is completed, ensuring that your welding is blocked, to dry run the program, you can either use the buttons on the front of the cart or using the play button on the screen. And the cobot will run through the circular weld that you just programmed. For more information on the Cooper app, please visit our website at lincolnelectric.com. Thanks for watching.